Let's take a look at what happened earlier today in terms of our rainfall, which wasn't a lot, but it's the middle of May. This is out of the ordinary to get even this much rain, anywhere from just under 2/10 of an inch of rain for Kentfield to a barely measurable amount for San Jose, San Francisco, and Dublin. Still in 15th place for the wettest water year on record for downtown San Francisco, that to any point in the water year, much less to this date in the rainy season. Of course, we're almost completely out of the rainy season. What we do have is a few more days of cool weather on the way. This is the storm system that helped to send that batch of showers through the Bay Area earlier. It's going to be a little secondary ripple in the atmosphere that's going to sweep through and help to reinforce the cool air that's still in place. Temperature's still going to be running several degrees below average for the next couple of days, but things are going to warm up as we hit the end of the work week and especially into the weekend. Today, though, temperatures on the 60s across the board. The month of May, a lot of times we'll see 50s by the coast and 80s or even 90s inland. That's more likely by the end of the week and into the weekend. But everybody between 61 and 67 degrees today, just a 6-degree difference from the coast to farther inland. Now, we are going to see some fog redeveloping as we head through tonight with some passing clouds higher up in the atmosphere. This view on Futurecast kind of gives us a sense of that layer cake in the atmosphere. The fog shows up in the brighter shades of white here along the coast and around the bay, trying to spill into some of the inland valleys, while the duller shade of gray, that's cloud cover farther up in the atmosphere, and that's going to be filtering the sunshine, if not blocking it entirely, for the first couple hours tomorrow morning. But we should see more sun breaking through as we head towards midday, and the fog will back up to along the coast by lunchtime as well. Temperatures tonight dropping down to the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. High temperatures tomorrow are going to manage to warm up a little bit, but generally the same range in temperatures that we had today, maybe a little farther apart. Upper 50s along the coast, low 60s in San Francisco, mid 60s for Oakland and the East Bay, with a mix of mostly upper 60s and a few low 70s farther inland tomorrow. But those temperatures are still below normal for this time of year, anywhere from a few degrees to closer to 10 degrees below average for the 9th day of May. But talk about a weather turnaround. Weather whiplash is going to send our temperatures up a lot as we head towards the end of the work week. We go from temperatures several degrees below average tomorrow to 10 to 20 degrees above average by the time Saturday rolls around. But as warm as we're going to be, even hot inland, we're not likely to set any record high temperatures on Saturday. This is a long look down the line. This is the day 5 of the 7-day forecast, but you can see that our forecast highs for Saturday across the entire Bay Area are going to fall well short of record territory. This time of year, records are getting close to 100 degrees for inland parts of the Bay Area. We're not going to be that warm, but along with that warmer pattern also comes the potential for a couple of pop-up showers or thunderstorms. The view on the 6 to 10-day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, you can see where the wetter than normal pattern is really going to be bullseyed over the desert southwest. We're going to be on the fringes of the influence of that type of pattern, which means enough monsoonal moisture could sneak towards us to at least give us some more cloud cover by Sunday and Monday. Outside chance, 20% or lower of maybe a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. We'll keep an eye on it. I wouldn't be worried about it. Temperatures are going to warm up quite a bit, especially by the end of the work week and into the weekend, into the 70s, even close to 80 degrees around the bay, with temperatures well into the 80s farther inland. Some spots on Saturday even getting up to around, or especially inland in the East Bay, above 90 degrees. And then we start backing down a little bit as we head into early next week. Even along the coast, your temperatures are going to get up into the mid-60s for a couple of days. You can look forward to that while you're dealing with the fog tomorrow morning.